Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you have not yet subscribed, please do subscribe. Guys, on this video, I'm going to show you access a mock test, and then also I'm going to be showing how you access assessment task. Assessment task is going to be focusing on those who have applied for social auxiliary or for social work. Again, mock test is for everyone. Mock test is for everyone. So the difference between these two is that a mock test, it focuses more on the university's well-being. How does the university function, and then what are the platforms that which are there for you to do and stuff like that. Do you have a better knowledge about this institution? Do you understand what is an ODL, which is online distance learning, and stuff like that? So they just want to understand if you do understand what this institution is all about. Hence, the questions are focusing on registrations, applications, and stuff like that, like the movement that is happening in Unisa and stuff like that. And then when it comes to mock test, I'm to say assessment task. Assessment task, it focuses more on testing your IQ as to how, like, becoming this thing a social worker or a social assistant. Like, do you have like knowledge, or are you judgmental and stuff like that? It's more like questioning your character a little bit. That testing your IQ is if whether can you be a social worker or a social assistant, because of they understand that you'll be dealing with people. So are you judgmental? Are you some sort of like not, like, you cannot work with people and stuff like that? So they're trying to get better understanding based on that. So they will be asking questions that related to social workers work, social assistants work, and then the departments that can be there or associate with the Department of Development. Yeah. So yeah. So for assessment task, as far as I know, is for those who have applied for social work and social auxiliary. But mock test is for everyone. Is for everyone. So let's get to it, guys. So what you do, you just need to have a internet app, and then you go straight there. It's either Chrome or Opera Mini, Firefox, or any. Then you press Unisa, then you say .ac .za, and then you press next. I'm going to say enter. Then it's going to take you here straight to Unisa's website. Then from here you press apply. So if you're using it may show you in a different version, but it's like this. Then after pressing apply, you scroll down. After scrolling down, it's going to take you here. So we have undergraduate qualification and we have honors degree and what. So it will depend with which one did you apply under. This one, undergraduate, is for those who have applied for higher certificate to a degree, and then the honors is for those who have honors, who have applied for honors going up to PhD. So obviously those who are struggling most of the time are undergraduates. So you press first time Unisa applicant, and then it's going to load. Even if you're using a cell phone, you're gonna see what I'm seeing or what is here or what is appearing on the screen. You just have to scroll down a little bit, and then it's going to show you undergraduate qualifications, and then it's going to show you this text. Step number one, what is an ODL is Unisa for you. Are you certain about the career? Choose or find your qualification. That's where you check the prospectus. Apply for admission this year. That's where you apply. Application outcomes, and we press number 5, which application outcomes. Then we scroll down after pressing it, and then we will see this box which state that I have received an offer. What must I do? So what must you do? You just have to come here. This year here is first year experience mock test. So we are looking for a code which is UOL 009 FYE 101. That is for a mock test. Or you can come here. Step number 2, press this thing, go there, check your offer. Once you check your offer, they're gonna give you a link and be like, no, go and write the mock test. Yeah. So let's just press here, and then take us here. After loading, we scroll down. We wanna see another box again. At the last part, we'll see the instructions starting from 1 to 9. They're stating that after writing mock test, you need to wait for at least 5 minutes in order for it to be processed and work out and stuff like that. So password, guys, password, do not just rush to create an account. Password, just put your date of birth. Date of birth, start with the year, month, and date. If you were born in 95, you're gonna say 1995 and then month and date. Ne? So please make sure that when you are accessing the portal, it is written this way. It is not written in a different way. It's mock.unisa.ac.za. It does not have to say mock/saki.unisa.what because of there are two portals. I don't know why are there two portals. I even thought that they should cancel that one. Maybe they're using it for those who are doing theology, technology, science, and engineering. I don't know because of yeah. I normally see things like those things appearing there. So yeah, it has to be mock.unisa.ac.za, and then after pressing it, it's going to take you here. So even if you're using a cell phone, it's going to appear like this. So you can see home, robotics, and login. Then you press what? Log in. Here you're going to enter your student number, and then here you're going to enter your date of birth. 1990 Matsetse, February, which is going to be 02. If you were born on the 25, you're going to say 25, and then you press log in. Then you are in. What do you do when you log in? If you can check here, there's a home, there's dashboard, there's my course, there's robotics. So you press home. You go to home. After going to home, then you scroll down nice and gently, nice and gently. Then you are gonna see it. Kaboom. UOL009 FYE 101. So 2024, guys, it will differ with the year. If it is 2026, it's going to be 2026. If it's 2021, it's going to be 2021. And then you press it in the blueprint. I'm gonna come and show you where you can find that thing, assessment task. And then once you press it, it is going to show you an option of enroll me. Then you press enroll me. After pressing enroll me, then it can take you here. If it does not take you here, you go to my courses, and then it is going to appear as you can see it here. Then you press it on the blueprint, and then it's going to take you here. And then guys, please make sure that these things are going to come in a white color. Make sure that you complete, like you read these things, you understand everything here, because of here they're going to ask you questions, which is a self-assessment task. They're going to ask you questions based on these things. So they're going to give you more like something to read or to listen, and then you need to understand. After understanding, then that's where you can um reach to this part whereby you will write it. After writing it, they will give you your marks, and then they will tell you that finished and what. Please make sure that you get 100%, because of if you get lower, you might face some difficulties with accepting your offer. And then let's go straight to assessment task. Assessment task, you also home, same, you scroll down below the mock test, you're going to see assessment task. Here are the assessment tasks for this thing, for social auxiliary and degree. So for degree is what? So BSW is for degree, SAW is for high certificate. So it seems like most of you guys have applied for high certificates. So they had to group you guys so that a certain group should have a certain number of students so that the system does not crash. I get. So if you are not in this group, it's going to show you like this. You cannot enroll yourself into this course, and then it will say continue. Ne? But if you are enrolled in this thing, like let's say the one which you are in is going to be at the top. Ne? So if it is there, here in blueprint is going to write enroll me, and then you enroll. If it does not take you further, then you press my courses, then you come here, you select it, and then you see assessment, you pressed it, and then Zia color, you press attempt, and realize that you have only one attempt, and then you write it. After writing it, then everything will be okay. And then yeah, that's how you do it, guys. So if you have any question, please do comment, then I will answer the question. I got this one, they don't show you the results. I got they don't show you the results. And one thing that I can say about it is that it is very easy. They are just only ask you questions such as um a guy is abusing his wife and children and stuff like that. Whenever he drinks, he has drinking problems. Whenever he comes back home, he start like swearing, or maybe start to do some abnormal things and stuff like that. And then what would you do as a social worker? Are you going to leave the family alone, or are you going to take that lady and her kids to a place of safety, provide them with food and shelter and what? Obviously, you're going to select the one of taking them to a safer environment and give them all the necessary needs that they will need. I And then yeah, that's how you do it. They just only test your IQ. I So guys, if you have any questions, please do subscribe and ask the question, that I will try by all means to guide you or to assist you. Yeah? So that's it, guys.